Small English sentences about the kitchen. This is my kitchen. The kitchen is clean. I cook food here. The stove is hot. The fridge is cold. I wash dishes daily. The sink is full. I need a spoon. The knife is sharp. The plate is white. I drink water here. The cup is empty. The bowl is small. I cut vegetables. Mom cooks dinner. The oven is on. I open the fridge. The milk is fresh. The eggs are in the basket. I make tea. The kettle is boiling. I wash my hands. The floor is clean. The table is brown. I like cooking. The food smells good. I need some salt. The sugar is sweet. The rice is ready. I peel a potato. The carrot is orange. I fry an egg. The pan is hot. The glass is full. I eat breakfast here. The bread is soft. I open the cupboard. The dishes are clean. I wash the vegetables. The kitchen is bright. The spoon is on the table. I pour some juice. The water is cold. The food is delicious. I clean the counter. The clock is on the wall. I help my mother. The kitchen looks nice. I enjoy working in the kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and join our learning family for more English magic.